Ready to get GOF POS running on your shop computer? Let us begin. In this video, you will download, install, and open GOF POS for the first time. Open your web browser and go to pos.goftechsolutions.com. This is the official website where you get the latest version safely. On Windows, download the GOF POS Setup installer file. Once it downloads, double-click the installer to begin. Follow the simple on-screen steps, and the install finishes in moments. GOF POS is also available for Mac and Linux, so choose your system. For Mac, download the Mac version and drag the app into Applications. For Linux, download the Linux build and run it the same way. When the install is done, open GOF POS from your desktop. The app window opens clean and ready for your store. On startup, GOF POS automatically checks for a newer version. If an update is available, you can install it in one click. This keeps your point of sale current without any manual downloads. The whole setup is quick, so you are ready in just a few minutes. In the next video, we will register your store and create your account.